Hello students, good evening to you all. In our series of the important topics revision, I will start with another topic, that is the chemical nature of the enzymes, which is taken from the unit 1. Along with this topic in the unit 1, I have also quickly revised the competitive and non-competitive inhibition as well as the lock and key model and the induced fit model for the enzyme substrate complex formation. So in the quick revision, it is the 5th video that is based on the topic chemical nature of the enzymes. So we will start with the topic first. So chemically the enzymes are the proteins. All enzymes are chemically the proteins, whereas the all proteins are not necessarily enzymes. सभी enzymes जो होते हैं वो प्रोटीन होते हैं, बट ज़रूरी नहीं कि सभी प्रोटीन्स जो हों enzymes हों. तो enzymes को हम टोटली 2 क्लासेस में क्लासीफाई करते हैं. स्ट्रक्चरली या केमिकली स्ट्रक्चर के बेसिस पे एंजाइम्स 2 टाइप्स के होते हैं. वन इज़ द सिंपल एंजाइम्स, अनदर आर दी कॉन्जुगेटेड एंजाइम्स. Conjugated enzymes are also called the complex enzymes, and simple enzymes are the simple ones made up of the proteins. So chemically they are the most abundantly they are the protein. So those enzymes which are 100% made up of the proteins or the amino acids, the complete part of the enzyme is only made up of the protein. Those enzymes are called the simple enzymes, like the urease or the pepsin enzyme. These are the simple enzymes. The conjugated enzymes are more common as compared to the simple enzymes, but simple enzymes are those enzymes which are all made up of the proteins, and proteins we know made up of the amino acids. If we talk about the conjugated enzymes, so conjugated enzymes are also called the complex enzyme or the hollow enzymes. Conjugated enzymes or the hollow enzymes, these are those enzymes which are made up of the protein as well as a non-protein part. The dominant part is no doubt the protein. This is a hollow enzyme. The simple enzyme was only made up of the protein, but hollow enzyme is made up of the protein as well as a non-protein part. इस तरह के एंजाइम को हम होलो एंजाइम कहते हैं. सो सिंस देर आर 2 पार्ट्स, प्रोटीन पार्ट एंड द नॉन प्रोटीन पार्ट, द प्रोटीन पार्ट इज कॉल्ड द एपो एंजाइम. The protein part is called the apoenzyme, whereas the non-protein part is called the cofactor. The protein part is the major part. It will acquire the 80 to 90% of the total surface area of the enzyme, and non-protein part is a minor part which is called the cofactor. So the apoenzyme plus cofactor jointly called the hollow enzyme. These are some important terms generally asked in the entrance examination of the different universities, that what are the apoenzymes, what is the hollow enzyme. So hollow enzyme is the apoenzyme plus cofactor or the conjugated enzyme which is made up of the protein part plus non-protein part. Particularly the protein part of the conjugated enzyme or the hollow enzyme is called the apoenzyme, and the non-protein part is called the cofactor. अब ये जो non-protein part है जिसको हम cofactor कह रहे हैं, this cofactor may be organic or inorganic. Whenever this cofactor will be organic, it may also have the 2 types. Organic में भी 2 तरह के होते हैं cofactors, prosthetic group and another is the coenzymes. वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस में कई बार पूछा जाता है कि कोएंजाइम्स क्या होते हैं और कोफैक्टर क्या होते हैं. तो कन्फ्यूजन नहीं होना है. कोफैक्टर जो होता है वो तो नॉन प्रोटीन पार्ट है किसी भी कॉन्जुगेटेड एंजाइम का, और कोएंजाइम्स जो होते हैं वो कोफैक्टर के ही पार्ट हैं. कई बार डिफरेंस भी पूछा जाता है कोफैक्टर और कोएंजाइम के बीच में. सो कोएंजाइम इज़ अ डिफरेंट थिंग, कोफैक्टर इज़ अ डिफरेंट थिंग. ऑल कोएंजाइम्स आर कोफैक्टर्स बट नॉट ऑल कोफैक्टर्स आर कोएंजाइम्स. अगर कोई कोफैक्टर इनऑर्गेनिक है तो वो कोएंजाइम नहीं है, but all coenzymes are necessarily the cofactors because it is a part of the cofactor. So cofactor, the non-protein part of the conjugated enzyme or the complex enzyme, is of 2 types, organic as well as inorganic. In the organic, it is also of 2 types. One is the prosthetic group, another is the coenzymes. If we talk about the inorganic part, so inorganic part are some metals. There are some metals which are combined with the enzymes, and the activity of these enzymes are regulated by these metals also. If these metals are not present, these enzymes cannot work. For example, if we talk about the hexokinase enzyme, if we talk about one example, there is an enzyme hexokinase. It have the magnesium as a metal activator or the metal cofactor. The hexokinase phosphorylate the glucose into glucose 6-phosphate. This is a step in the glycolysis reaction. The glucose is converted into the glucose 6-phosphate in presence of the enzyme hexokinase and the magnesium ions as well as ATP molecule. So this enzyme require the presence of the magnesium ions. So this magnesium is a cofactor, and which type of the cofactor? The inorganic cofactor or the metal cofactor for this enzyme, the hexokinase. So if we summarize the classification of the enzymes according to their structure, we will see the enzymes are of two types: the simple enzymes and the conjugated enzymes. The simple enzymes are all made up of the protein. There is no non-protein part, so it will only made up of the amino acids. We know the proteins are made up of the amino acids. Conjugated enzymes are made up of two parts: the protein part, which is called the apoenzyme, and the non-protein part, which is called the cofactor. So apoenzyme, since it is a protein part, so it will also made up of the amino acids. But further in the cofactor part, which is the non-protein part, the cofactor may be organic or inorganic. In the organic, it may be prosthetic group or it may be a coenzyme. So need not to be confused between the coenzymes and the cofactor. Cofactor may be organic or inorganic, but coenzymes are always organic. काफ़ी प्लेसेस पे कॉन्जुगेटेड एंजाइम में प्रोटीन पार्ट को एपोएंजाइम लिखा जाता है, नॉन प्रोटीन पार्ट को कोएंजाइम्स लिखा जाता है. सो इट इज़ रॉन्ग. नॉन प्रोटीन पार्ट इज द कोफैक्टर, नॉट द कोएंजाइम्स. एंड इनऑर्गेनिक पार्ट इज लाइक मेटल्स like magnesium, zinc, or the chlorine ions or something else. Although chlorine is not metal, but it is somehow also the inorganic part for the different enzymes. So this is the general overview of the chemical structure of the enzymes. In our next video, we will particularly discuss on the different types of the cofactors. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.